Hey guys, it's Koolio here and welcome back to Koolio's Taste. Thank you for coming back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen here. So today I wanted to bring you to my kitchen because what we're going to be trying out today is going to be this dough cake. It's a microwavable cake. It says bake me for 1 minute. And this is a lemon flavor. They had chocolate and I think caramel. Not sure, maybe just vanilla. But yeah, you don't have to add anything to this. It's already pre-made batter. All you need to do is tear it up, put it in a mug, and microwave it for 1 minute. So let's get a mug and do that. Alright, so here's my mug and let's go ahead and put it in here and see how it comes out. Alright guys, well here's a little close-up of what the batter looks like. Yeah, I think probably this mug is a bit too big, but we'll go ahead and bake it and see how it turns out. Alright, we'll go ahead and put it in here. We're gonna put 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and wait 5 minutes and see how the cake turns out. I mean, it smells pretty good already from the batter. You smell the lemon. And while we're waiting, here's just a little close-up of what the actual packaging looks like. If you guys want to go check it out and get one for yourselves. I got this one at World Market. I have seen a few Fry's, I think Walmart, I saw some. Not sure of this same brand. But yeah, the mug cups. Okay, we have about 3 more minutes to go. Can't really see the mug in there, but it's in there, it's spinning. We're just waiting. Still waiting here. I don't know if you guys can see, but looks like it's smoking. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work out. Yeah. Gosh. Let's go ahead and turn on the vent because this was a total fail. I'm back. This was a total fail, like no joke. It's like so smoky in here. And say hi to Luna and Max. Hey guys. Like, honestly, what the fuck? Like, fuck. Yeah, so we're obviously not going to be tasting this out. Because, yeah, I fucked it up. And I'm not exaggerating here, really, it's horrible. And, yeah. Alright guys, well, this was a total fail, but hey, if you guys liked watching me mess this up, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, you guys, for another video. And I don't know, see what else I mess up next time. I guess we'll find out. I don't know. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next taste test, hopefully we'll be tasting something out next time. Alright then guys, see you later.